Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a France Work Permit visa. First, confirm your eligibility, which largely depends on a valid job offer from a French employer. Your prospective employer plays a crucial role, as they must secure work authorization for you from the French labor authorities before you can even apply for your visa. Begin collecting necessary documents, including your valid passport and the official employment contract. This initial preparation is key to a smooth application. Once your employer has secured work authorization, you'll need to compile a comprehensive set of documents for your visa application. This includes your passport, which must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. You'll also need the original work contract and the official work authorization document from the French authorities. Don't forget proof of accommodation in France and evidence of sufficient funds to support yourself. With all your documents ready, the next step is to complete the online visa application form on the official France Visas website. Ensure all information is accurate and consistent with your supporting documents. After completing the form, you'll need to schedule an appointment at the French consulate or embassy in your country of residence. Be prepared to attend your interview with all original documents and their photocopies. After submitting your application and attending your interview, you can track its status online using the reference number provided. The processing time can vary, often taking several weeks, so patience is important. Once approved, you will receive your long-stay visa, allowing you to enter France and apply for your residence permit. Remember to check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. This robot vacuum offers voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.